Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. Okay, your recent past, let's see. 7 of Wands, Queen of Cups and 2 of Cups. Wow. I think your person or you could be not giving up on this connection even if there is, even if there are obstacles. I think you both sharing equal love between both of you. You both have emotions for each other. Very, very positive past. I think you both don't want to give up on this connection even if there are obstacles. I'm seeing you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sag right now, the signs. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Capricorn. 7 of Pentacles, lot of readings for this card. 8 of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus also. The World. I think one person invests in this connection more than the other person, and one person in this connection right now stuck, not seeing anything, and they are stuck due to any reason, but some cycles are going to be end. The World. I think the stuckness, whatever is going between both of you right now, it is going to be end. Then some cycles are going to be end. Definitely there is love between both of you because 2 of Cups here, Queen of Cups is there in past, but one person right now is stuck and one person is waiting for the results, investing on this connection, and some cycles are going to be end. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. I think there is less communication is going between both of you due to the stuck whatever. So let's see. Understanding. Page of Cups and morality. Queen of Swords. Slowing down. Page of Pentacles. It is coming, definitely. Communication is also coming. You have to understand the process because Page of Cups, an offer is coming but it is slow because slowing down. Page of Pentacles is here. It is coming but slow. So you have to be patient. And Queen of Swords here, definitely you will get communication regarding this what is going on your connection, and your person will communicate you. Definitely you will get communication, clear communication. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe. Courage, strength, yes. Outsider, 5 of Pentacles, transformation. I think your person could be undergone some transformation, that's why it is late. The Miser, 4 of Pentacles. They are not expressing their feelings. For some there is separation also. Those who are in separation, they will come towards you but it will take time. Those who are not in separation, your person will communicate. They will give clarity to you. Due to transformation there is less communication, but in near future they will apologize to you what they did to you, because the understanding. Page of Cups here and Queen of Swords, they will say to you clearly their intentions. And slowing down, Page of Pentacles, definitely they will offer you but it will take time. Courage, the strength, they are gaining the strength to come towards you. And transformation, they are undergo some transformation because 5 of Pentacles, they are feeling some separation between both of you. So they are stuck right now but they will come towards you. It will take time because you both have strong love between both of you. 2 of Cups is here. So Capricorn, your person will come after the transformation. Slow, so be patient. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.